When something bad happens, I want to know, how did it happen? Why did it happen, and what can we do to prevent it from happening again? As the CISO, that's what I'm focused on. I'm Matthew Snyder. I'm the Chief Information Security Officer for the Penn State Milton S. Hershey Medical Center. We admit about 30,000 patients annually, and we treat approximately 1 million patients with outpatient services or emergency room services. Within 10 months, we suffered over 83 million malicious attempts. When we talk about the impact of a data breach, it's a lot of different components. First of all, there's the regulatory compliance component. You're going to face probably some sort of external scrutiny, maybe an enforcement action. You're also going to have the cost of the actual incident itself. And then what are you going to do from that brand perspective? When I came on board, there was a decision made that they wanted to transform their cybersecurity program. When we went out to the market, what we were concerned with is we didn't want to end up with a couple different pieces of technology from multiple vendors that didn't integrate or that didn't communicate with one another. You have to have an integrated solution to have effective cyber defense. One of the things that took us to the FireEye solution was how integrated all those different components were. The current FireEye solutions that we deploy on our network are the network-based sensor, the NX. We use the endpoint agent, which is the HX. We also use the network forensics tool, the PX. The HX communicates with the network-based sensor. The network-based sensor communicates back. We also have the email security appliance, the EX, and that communicates with all that technology as well. One of the benefits of the integrated solution has been the central management console and how we're able to derive data and analytics surrounding incidents that are occurring on the network. Because of that, we've now been able to integrate the incident response measure as a portion of our risk management framework. We also leverage FAS to augment our cybersecurity incident response team. It was nice to know that we were now getting full coverage all the time versus just the time that our incident responders could be, in the office parsing alerts and things along those lines. With the FAS offering as well as the FireEye platform, we're able to get threat intelligence not just from our indicators and things that we're seeing, but also from a worldwide intelligence platform. It's allowed us to get things as they're happening almost in near real time to start to address them. At the end of the day, every dollar that comes into cybersecurity is a dollar that doesn't go to something like patient care, and we want to make sure that we are providing that value back to the organization. When we look at FireEye and the solution and their business overall, they're filling a critical role for us in intrusion detection and response. We really view them as a strategic partner.